Hi everybody, these are Rehab Robot Gloves. Comes with a manual, very well describes all of the features that are on the host. You have your cord. Plug that in, plug the other one into the wall outlet, turn that on. You have your glove. Plug this in, curve side down into here. You have your mirror hand strap. And I put my fingers to the very tip. All the way to the tip. And I put this on as tight as I can so there's no space between here. Same with there. So this is a nice snug fit. You have on here, you have your automatic, mirror, and soft modes, as well as the button for the mode. And right now it's in automatic. I can change it so that it does one finger at a time. I can change the mode to mirror. So in mirror mode, I hope that gives you a bit of an idea on this robot rehab glove. And there's so many more features that are very well explained in the manual. I hope that gives you a bit of an idea on how to use it. And you get this as well. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.